the distance with your head down. It's hard to move forward when you always face the ground. Don't be afraid of letting loose. You have another life to choose. It's all up to you. You can see the finish line in front of you, so close yet you always struggle to pull through. The sky is not gray, it's still blue. It's all about your point of view. You can be who you want to be. Follow what your heart says. Fly on to the unknown. Grab on and don't let go. You know you're almost there. Stay strong, you gotta move along. Face up, don't have to cover up. Just try it one more time. You know you're almost there. You're almost there. You struggle to keep up with everybody, but that doesn't mean you are a nobody. Don't be afraid to fall behind. You never know what you may find. It's all up to you. It's almost in your reach. You can almost touch it. You just have to take the leap. The sky is not gray, it's still blue. It's all about your point of view. You can be who you want to be. Follow what your heart says. Fly on to the unknown. Grab on and don't let go. You know you're almost there. Stay strong, you gotta move along. Face up, don't have to cover up. Just try it one more time. You know you're almost there.
say, baby, you're my number one FYP. You chat with other people, but you notice me.